Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I am back today. I have finished the add-on for the Fickle Fall, and so I just kind of wanted to flip through and show you guys. For those of you who may have already seen in my shop, I have 4 other new digitals. They're just backgrounds, and I'll show you a little bit of those here in a second. But I went ahead and printed those both on cardstock and the Hammermill 60-pound cover paper, and as you can see, the colors are just as vivid. I set these up so that you will you can print them landscape, so that they're instead of printing them this way so they're not short, make sure you set your printer to print landscape, and they will print out awesomely. I tried to get everything even so that when you make your cut, it's not all jagged in it all over the place. You make one cut and then you've got your tags and everything. So, and then what I did with these is I backed them with the new digitals that I have also in my Etsy. I've got one that's coffee stained, which is this. There's 15 sheets, background sheets to each one of the digitals. They are all different. So you'll get 15 different coffee stained, 15 different tea stained, there's 15 different avocado stained ones, and then there's one that has a mix. So they're all different. So there's like 60 pages, there's 4 digitals, 60 pages of different styles, different patterned, tea stained, coffee stained, avocado dyed, and a mix of all 3. So anyways, that was a mouthful. But in this kit, there's 12 pages. So, and you'll get 6 tags. So this one's a little larger, and this one will fit into one of the larger envelopes that I've done in here. And then you'll get 8 flags on those. See, printed between the 2. Lovely, lovely colors, fall colors. They match the Fickle Fall kit. There are 2 belly bands, and the other belly band is here. You're going to get 5 recipe cards. These are the smaller, I think they're like the 3x4 recipe cards, and the indexes do go from left, center, and right. So there's one center and 2 left and 2 rights. Some vintage calling cards and 4 different tickets, and I also backed these with different, this is a coffee and this is a tea. Also did the same thing with these as well. So let me flip these over so they stay in order. And here's that other belly band for that, and that's coffee and a tea. And what I did do, I collaged on all of them so that you could put like an index card in the back, or you could back it with lined paper if you wanted to put your recipes. And then I did one that has on the front, so you could actually write on the front a recipe if you wanted. And then 3 larger recipe cards for those big long recipes, you know, those big long family recipes. And these are also back the same way, different papers. And there is a right, left, and center tab for those as well. Kind of turn this one around so you can see it. And then there's 2 shaped journaling cards and 3 stamps. And I did try to make the little notches for the stamps a little more visible. So, but I do use, the scissors I use on those, let me show you. I got this kit, I think it was at Walmart, it might have been Hobby Lobby. But it comes in a big round tub, and it has different scissor sets in there, and I just use this one on there, and it comes out really great. So, and I know there's different variations. There's ones that are wider or whatever. So, but if you have a scan and print, you can scan it and it'll print it out perfect for you. Like I said, and then here's some more backgrounds for that. And then, I suppose I should flip these the right way, huh? What I did in this one is I thought it would be cute to have a Thanksgiving grocery list. I don't know how many times I have gone to the store to go get all the things that I need for Thanksgiving dinner and forget half of them because I didn't make myself a list. So here you have, you can print this on just normal paper if you like. And then I did another journaling card, or you could just put it in the journal. That would be great to have in there. You could, you know, write all the people that are everything that you bought for your Thanksgiving dinner and the list of people you invited over for Thanksgiving or for a holiday or a fall party or whatever, your Halloween party even you could do. So, but I did that as well. And here's some different, that's a tea and that's a coffee. And then I put 2 journaling full pages in here. So you'll have this one, which, you know, you could fold up inside your journal. And those are backed as well. And then this one. And I always print my stuff out, one on cardstock and one on the hammer mill paper. And only because sometimes I've changed my mind and said, oh no, I want a thicker paper or I want a thinner paper or whatever. So I have it now both ways. And then what I don't use, I just cut it up and I put it in my stash because I just might need to grab a tag for later or whatever. And then there's a tea stained and a coffee stained. And then some envelopes. These 2 are, what I did was took the old vintage seed cards and just made them into put them on top of a coin envelope. So it was a little different. It's not quite the size of a seed packet, but I thought it would be cute to put like maybe a little tag or something in there, a little journaling card. And then I did 5 2-inch circles. You know, you can use them as tabs or for altered paper clips or just little journaling pieces or something you can put in there. Also backed with tea stained and coffee stained. I love this pattern. It came out so dark and grungy. And then this particular envelope will fit the bigger tag. Let me find that tag again. This bigger tag here. This tag will fit inside this envelope. It is a windowed envelope, so you can cut it out. You could actually maybe make a shaker out of it if you like. So we got that one. Also tea and coffee stained. And then I had some help from my wonderful friend Tammy at My World in OKC. Hi Tammy. She wanted to see some of the whale tail type tabs, and of course it's kind of a difficult pattern to kind of make, but with her help she showed me because she has one that punches them out, and she showed me the shape, and so we got it as close as we could to it on there. So you just cut those out and then fold them over the paper edge here to make a tab. And then a nice little journaling card. It's not quite postcard size, but it's very close. And a little envelope with a matching, it's like a little tea bag-sized envelope with a little matching journal card. And you could probably slide a little tea bag in there too to accompany the card. Alright. And then those are tea and coffee stained on the back as well. Now, those papers do not come in the kit. Those are separate, but they are very reasonably priced. So, talking about being reasonably priced, today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. And so that means I have extended my digital sale because I felt like, you know, you guys, I appreciate all of you guys, and I wanted to share in the joy of my birthday with you guys, so you guys kind of get a present too. So I have extended my sale to the end of the month, to the 30th of through the 30th of September. all my digital kits, all of them now, are loaded for half off. So go have fun, and get the kits now while they're marked down for fall. Because after the 30th they will go back up to normal price. But I think they're all very, very reasonably priced, considering some, I've seen some digital kits that are quite expensive for what you get in them. So, but like I said, there's 12 pages of ephemera in there. This is an add-on for Fickle Fall. And if you guys have any questions, just send me, ask me in the comments below, or send me a message through Etsy, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So with that, I am going to go enjoy the remainder of my birthday, and I will see you guys all soon. Plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys.